Hi Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will share with you a few ways how to use clear glam powder. We will be using 3 new glittery glam powders: Heart of Steel, Firework, and Lollipop sprinkles. If you want to remove your old dip manicure by filing it off instead of soaking in acetone, we recommend you to apply a thin layer of clear glam powder at the beginning of your manicure. This protective layer will allow you to file off the color coat without the risk of touching your natural nail plate. To remove, simply leave a thin layer of the old clear powder, brush off filing dust, clean the nail with alcohol, and apply Rossi primer focusing on the regrowth area. Wait 10 seconds for the primer to fully dry. Then apply a thin layer of Rossi base coat and dip the nail again in clear powder. Whether you're planning on removing the manicure by filing or you are simply looking for a nail with a little more strength. After that, you can follow your usual glam powder application by applying a base coat and dipping the nail in the color powder. For more tips and tricks on how to apply chunky glitter glam powder, click on the right side corner to watch our detailed tutorial. After each layer of base coat and powder, don't forget to brush off the excess powder on the nail. Clear glam powder can also be used to encapsulate glitter pieces and provide a protective barrier when it's time to file the nail. Apply your base to the entire nail once again. Grab your clear powder and gently pour it over the nail. Have your dip powder ready to go because the base dries quickly. Apply Rossi Activator liberally to harden your powders and let it air dry for approximately 2 minutes. After the nails are completely dry, file, shape, and buff them. If you want to speed up this process, try our new portable nail drill. If you don't have a nail drill, do not worry. This step can be achieved using a medium grit hand file and a buffer. Once you're happy with the shape of the nails, wipe them down with alcohol to remove the excess dust from filing. Not cleaning the filing dust properly can result in nails looking cloudy, so never skip this step. Apply 2 layers of the Rossi top coat. The first coat should be thin and applied only in a few strokes. Allow the first layer to dry for about 2 minutes before applying the next layer. Apply the second and final layer of Rossi top coat. This layer can be slightly thicker. Make sure you are covering all areas of your nail surface. Wait 3 to 5 minutes for nails to fully dry without touching or smudging. Massage Rossi Nourish Cuticle oil into the skin surrounding the nail plate. If you want to keep your manicure simple and classy, but still want to benefit from the strength the dip powder gives you, then we've got you covered. Simply apply a thin layer of Rossi base coat. Dip your nail into the clear powder and brush away excess powder. Next, apply activator and let it air dry. Lightly buff the nails to make them look perfect and thoroughly clean them with alcohol. Apply 2 coats of top coat as you would normally do. Now you can keep your nails looking great for work and give them additional strength. Remember that this clear set can still be painted over with regular nail polish. This is an optional step, but it's also a good idea to apply some cuticle oil after the top coat has dried. Check out our video on how to encapsulate dried flowers using clear dip powder. Click on the right side corner to watch our detailed tutorial. Thanks for watching! We hope you found this material helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more weekly tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Stay home, stay safe!